Welcome. Today I am with the ZTE Axon20 5G and I'm going to show you how you can get more details on your photos on this device. Okay, so let's make small comparison between normal mode and the high resolution mode 64 megapixels. Let's take photo of this button. We are going to focus on this button. So catch focus and take photo. Right now go for the more modes and hit this 64 megapixel mode. Turn it on, take the same photo, let's catch focus, and right now let's take a look for the both photos. So this one was taken with the 64 megapixel mode. Take a look how close we can zoom in on the preview, and there's also a lot of details that we can find right here, as you can see. And then switch for the normal mode. It's this one. As you can see, we cannot zoom in that much. Let's focus on this arena one more time. As you can see right here, we can spot some more details, especially right here. So that's the way where you can get more details on the photos on this device. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.